You know that feeling you have when you're cooped up in the city for months on end, grinding away at work, and you're just longing for a vacation, and then you get that vacation, and you're off to the beach or you're off up in the mountains. Just that freedom that you have. That's the sense that I get from the bees when they're in these stone hives and in these log hives. They're free to be bees. We don't have to apply commercial beekeeping practices in a backyard beekeeping setting. Just let them be bees. You can learn so much about the health of your stone hive or your log hive through simple observation. You don't have to be opening up and rummaging around, breaking the environment of the bee habitat. One of the other added benefits to observation is when you're sitting there observing the bees, there's a calmness that comes across you, a sense of peace, of well-being, of joy. Watching them coming and going about their business, taking care of business, taking care of family. And what I said earlier about going to the beach or to the mountains, that's the sense that comes across you when you're observing the bees. You start to feel free yourself. You start to appreciate life again. All your worries, all your anxieties, when you're down, they melt away. They do for me. And when you're observing the bees coming and going, it's like a call to action. Not to installing more beehives, but the call to action is to plant more flora, plant more fruits and vegetables, shrubs, trees, provide habitat for the bees. And soon, over the course of a few years, you'll start to see insects turn up that you'd never seen before.